Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, and in this video I am sharing a very beautiful designer style hand embroidery face mask design ideas. All of these face mask designs are based on very easy hand embroidery stitches, and only 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches are required to make these whole patterns. All of these are very beautifully designed, botanical garden embroidery based, real life nature inspired plants embroidery, and very beautiful hand embroidery flower design ideas. But before we go into the further details of our design ideas, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, or friends you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And not only this friends, kindly if you really like my today's video collection, then don't forget to like my video, and please make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family. And as you know that COVID is spreading very dangerously, heavily and massively affecting human community with its third wave, and its third wave in its full swing, and it has no mood of turning back and leaving human beings in peace. So it is our duty to keep ourselves protected and at the same time our loved ones around us safe. So it is the only way to wear masks to keep yourself protected and your loved ones near you. So if we talk about these embroidery stitches, then very easy embroidery stitches, like most of the small flowers are used making lazy daisy stitch, and all of the small leaves are again used lazy daisy stitch, and for some sort of big leaves they are mostly fishbone stitch used, and for big flowers you can use buttonhole stitch, boolean stitch, and for filling the dots you can use French knot. So these are the very easy and basic hand embroidery stitches that are being used to make these very beautiful designer style, stylish, decent, elegant, reusable, washable, organic, breathable, adjustable, comfortable, lightweight face masks. And each and every hand embroidery stitch that a beginner needs to know, or a person that is going to design this mask needs to know, I have made separate tutorials, step by step detail for beginners. Go now and watch all those tutorials if you don't know how to embroider. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.